Hello guys, in today's video we're talking about 5 best vitamins and supplements which you need to consume if you are a man, if you're older than 40. And let's go started from the beginning. 5 best vitamins and supplements you need to consume for men's health. Take a personalized approach to supplementation. American men consume more calories than are needed for survival. According to the US Center of Disease Control, men put away whopping 2,475 calories per day on average. That being the case, you would think men should also be getting enough essential vitamins and nutrition to support great health. Due to genetics, location, food availability, and lifestyle, everyone has unique nutritional needs. For instance, if a person consumes a lot of leafy greens, they might have adequate magnesium levels, but if that same person rarely gets any direct sunlight, he could be lacking in vitamin D. For this reason, multivitamins are not always the best solution for solving vitamin and mineral deficiencies. A more personalized approach provides the proper supplementation for your individual profile without overdoing certain ones you may not need. There are other factors that helps determine that what nutritional supplementation you might need, such as family history, activity level, and stress levels. In addition, variables like alcohol intake, caffeine consumptions, and even travel can play a role. For example, those that consume alcohol in excess are in particularly high risk of having B vitamin deficiencies. There are thousands of products on the market, but we've done the best research for you to identify the 5 key supplements that can help men after 40 years old address common deficiencies and the highest priorities if you want to look, feel, and perform your best. The supplements are worth checking out. And one more time, we're not selling any supplements. If you would like some supplements, I recommend you to go to Amazon, or the best is, of course, your drugstore pharmacy. 5 important vitamins and supplements men should consume. And one more, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please do it right now. It's free and you will not miss any video. You will know more about longevity and health, how to be strong and live to 100 years. Number 1 vitamins which anybody should consume is vitamin D. Vitamin D3, a key factor in testosterone level. We are talking about men. It's very common for Americans to be deficient in vitamin D. In 2009, articles in Scientific American noted that over 75% of Americans, teens and adults, don't get recommended levels. Why is that a big deal? For one thing, vitamin D may boost testosterone level in men. Further research is still needed, but this suggests that a lack of vitamin D could be a case for low testosterone, because low testosterone make men prone to a variety of health issues such as sleep, low metabolism, libido, and fatigue. Maintaining proper vitamin D levels is a crucial part for men's health. Low vitamin D also support health, heart health, and bone health. This is especially essential for older men who are generally more prone to falls. Number 2 is magnesium. Magnesium is crucial to overall wellness. Magnesium is a mineral that is important for many body, man, woman. It's crucial for blood glucose control, protein synthesis, nerve function, and even more. As with vitamin D, you might be surprised to learn that people don't get enough of those essential minerals. According to the USDA, 57% of the US population doesn't meet the recommended daily intake of magnesium. One way to up your magnesium intake is to consume more foods that are high in magnesium, such as spinach, almonds, and any nuts, black beans, any beans, and bananas, fruits, sweet fruits. On top of increasing your consumption of magnesium-rich foods, supplementation is also important. Research indicates that magnesium supplementation can support blood levels of testosterone, especially when coupled with exercise. Another study found that those who took magnesium supplements supported muscular health. Make sure to get the recommended dose of magnesium to promote stretch, sexual health, and your all-around well-being. According to the National Institute of Health, it's recommended that men who are 30 years old consume 400 mg of magnesium daily, while men aged 31 and older should consume 420 mg. When supplement with magnesium, and dose for adults should not exceed 350 mg unless prescribed by doctor. Number 3 is boron. Boron is a trace mineral that is found in food such as raisins, almonds, prunes, and chickpeas. Boron supports men's health. Men who consume a diet low in fruits and vegetables could have low level of boron. While not as well known as some of the other vitamins and minerals on this list, boron still exists and exhibits some. For instance, one study showed that boron-enriched diet results supported prostate health. Number 5 is omega-3. Omega-3s are polyunsaturated fatty acid, renowned for their anti-inflammatory effects. Furthermore, they have been shown to help support cardiovascular health, joint health, and more. If that's not enough, they have also been shown to help support brain health. Omega-3 are important because consuming them helps people maintain the proper ratio of vitamin 3 to omega-6 fatty acids. Most men consume far more of the inflammatory omega-3, omega-6 fatty acid from foods such as refined vegetables, oils. What is considered healthy? Men should aim to consume those fats in a more balanced ratio, meaning a greater intake of omega-3 and cutting down on so many omega-6. Often men consume up to 15 times more omega-6 than omega-3. My recommendation, start to eat at home. The more omega-6 consumption happens in a restaurant and cafe. When you order some food and you don't know what kind of oil they use, they of course will use the cheapest one for profit. When you cook at home, you, your wife, you know what kind of oil you use, and of course the best is olive oil, and of course you'll get less omega-6. Omega-6 also can be in fatty meat and raps oil. Check it out. Omega-6 are famously found in fish. Omega-3 are famously found in fish, but they're also present in high amount of foods such as flax seeds, sardines, and walnuts. If you aren't getting enough vitamin 3 from your diet, then you can get a powerful boost through supplementation with fish oil. Fish oil is rich in omega-3, and it's recommended to supplement with at least 1.6 grams daily if you don't get enough omega-3 in your diet. Keep in mind that not all fish oil are created equal. The integrity of the oils are important by how well presented they are. So make sure you are sourcing your supplements from high quality suppliers. It's important. Number 5, palmetto extract, a traditional remedy for prostate health. Palmetto is a shrub tree with dark red berries, native to the United States, Europe, and Africa. The palmetto berries were a popular source of food and medicine for Native Americans long before Europeans' settlement. They also have a long history of use in traditional medicine, often being prescribed for reproductive and urinary tract issues. The berries have been traditionally used for prostate health for many years, and early clinical data suggest the palmetto extract may help support a healthy prostate. However, larger, more recent clinical data didn't support its efficiency. More research is needed to better understand palmetto's possible mechanism of actions. It's theorized to help with hormone balance in a way that protects the prostate from enlarging. It's worth discussing the potential benefits of supplementation with your medical provider. If you decide to take palmetto extract, to be sure to look for a high quality product, as the extract process and formulation can play a huge role in palmetto's results. Take control of your health by starting with nutrition. Men who want to maintain good health should eat a varied diet rich in nutrition-based foods. That includes wild catch seafood, or an omega-3 supplement. But there is easier said than done. Yes, it's difficult to find. Stress, poor and convenient food choices, and lack of physical activity can all cause men to be deficient in certain nutrients. We're all unique, so it's crucial to find out which of those supplements will work best for you. If necessary, increasing the intake of vitamin D, astaxanthin, vitamin B12, magnesium, boron, vitamin 3, and palmetto extract may help support energy, promote sexual health, and generally support mental health. One more time, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, do it right now. It's for free. You will find out in my channel lots of info. information about healthcare, about longevity, and different kinds of interviews with doctors and professionals. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.